Hello, everybody. We are back with our second grade, Module 3, Lesson 1. Start a new module. I'm going to start off working with some different parts of shapes right off the bat. So let's take a look at this and see where we're at. All right, we're on, like I said, second grade. Oops, right there. Second grade, Module 3, Lesson 1. This is on page 9, and there is a little bit on the back of this one for page 10. Okay, let's look. It says circle the closed shapes. Closed. That means that there's no way in. So what do I mean by closed? By no way in means if we look at this shape here, all right, there's an opening right here. We can get in. If we look at this shape right here, there's no way in. Every side's closed. So this would be a closed shape. Look at this next one. Do you see any way you can get in? Any breaks in the line? No breaks in the line. Closed shape. All right. Look at this here. Well, we got an opening right there, which means it's not a closed shape. All right. Does that make sense? Hope so. All right. Number 2. Write the numbers of sides and angles. The numbers of sides and angles. So with me, the easiest way for me to do this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? I just count every one going around there. So I have 6 sides. And angles are all the corners, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use that one to help you over here. Down here it says draw a polygon. Any kind of polygon you want. Remember, how many sides does a polygon have? That's the big thing. Make sure when you draw this shape, whatever it is, that you have enough sides on your polygon to make it a polygon. Because if you don't have the right number of sides, we can't call it a polygon, can we? Because then it won't be a polygon. All right, let's look at the back real quick. We have 167 plus 15. If you want, hundreds, tens, ones. Let's put 100. Now we need 6 tens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That number is all in there. Now let's put this number in there. So we have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 110. 1. So now we need to add these up and count how many are in each section. Remember, what's our rule? If there's more than how many in one of our columns, columns, we ought to move them over. How many? It's 10. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we're over. So I want to do my loop around my 10, bring them over. Remember, I always make that one look a little different. So it's there. Now, how many do I have left? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many is there? And parents, if you're out there, how this relates, 167 plus 15. Right here, if we look, all right, here's our ones, here's our tens, and here's our hundreds. Okay? I know it's a little sloppy. You guys can follow me. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So in our ones, we have 7 plus 5. So we had 7, and we added 5 more right here. So that gives us, parents, we know, is right here, 12. So we put that 2 there. And then parents, remember, we always brought that 1 over here, right? So we had 1 plus 6 plus 1. Well, look, it's really a 10 we're bringing over because we're going 1 to the tens column because it's a 10. The 1 in 12 is worth 10. So we move that over. So we have really 10 plus 60 plus 10, but we're going to say 1 plus 6 plus 1. If we go over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 1, so there's our 6 plus 1, and here's that 1 that's up top here that we brought over. Okay, so then we count that one up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 there. We had 2 left here. And then nothing's going over because we're not bigger than 10. Just like here, we just have that 8. Nothing can go over because it's only adds up to 8 or 80 technically, but 8 in this column. So we don't go anything over the thousands. So then we have, the hundreds. We have 100 plus nothing is 1. We have 100 with nothing else is 1. So that's our answer. Okay, you can do this one however you want. I like this place value chart. You could also do it this way if you want. I call this OPM, old people math. That's how I learned it. That's how a lot of parents learned it that are out there. But I hope this helps, parents. I'm going to start trying to show how it relates a lot so you can see this is easier. I promise you, it's easier. All right. Hey, hit that like and subscribe button for me. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the school year. Help me out. Have your friends help me out. You got a friend in another school that's using Eureka Math? Tell them about this. Maybe this homework will help them too. All right. Have a good night.